Hi everyone, today I'm going to be rough gapping in the doors. Hi everyone, and welcome to the channel about kit cars and other car topics. If you like what you see, please subscribe and hit the notification buttons below and share with others on social media. So I've been trying to gap in the doors for a while. I've been doing videos, hey, I'm gapping the doors, woohoo. And I did, but now the door is actually fitting in the hole, but it's kind of fitting like a cork, like it's tight. So I need to actually have some room to move around that door. It's not the final gapping, but it's close. I'm just going to kind of rough give me some movement so I have some leeway to kind of move this thing around, get it aligned on the hinges, stuff like that. So I'm going to do that right now, so let's hop to it. So if you noticed, I didn't even try to actually put the doors back on the car and onto the hinges by myself because it's just too difficult. It's a big pain in the ass. So I waited till today, another day, had my friend come in and help me. And you know, I can't see the outside of the car, the inside of the car at the same time. And yeah, you could tape it all up and then try to do it that way, but first time doing it, it's not happening. It's just way easier to have two people. And so that's what I did. So the really good news is I was able to coerce my friend Greg to come by and actually help me do some body work on the car. It's been really difficult for me to do that, but finally got him to agree. And you know, I'm kind of glad you know, I would ask him to do this and then, you know, I would never get a response, you know, and it's like one of those things where it's just his way of, you know, pushing me to do stuff. And that's cool. I like that. I like, you know, I would have never thought I've gotten this far in the doors to begin with. However, we're kind of at the nuances, if you will, of making sure that I don't just blow stuff at the last second. And so, you know, I got the hood mostly cut in. I got the doors mostly cut in. The trunk's pretty good. I haven't put the hinge on yet. The valances, I have extended valances now. So it's pretty much, you know, can we get a bunch of that done in one day since it's 90% of the way there? I don't know. Maybe one day, maybe 2 days. You know, the hard top's ready to just bolt on. So we don't have to do any finessing there. We just need to actually bolt it on. So I'm hoping that we could actually just get it going really quick. Pop it on there. I know the doors are going to take a while. They're going to take a while to get stuff because not only do you have, you know, like here's the door and yeah, it could go this way and this way, but you also have this way and this way. And that's where it just starts getting a little too crazy. So I'm really happy he's going to be coming by and I can't wait to get this thing knocked out. Until next time, have a great day.